What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I came to this shop to get some DRLs and to get some aesthetics, to get some lights on this car. As you have seen, my friend bought this Tiago and he just wanted to get some DRLs and he wanted to have some lights over his car, like at the end of the mirror and at the top of the mirror. He just wanted to have some cars, so we are at this shop. This is in Karol Bagh and this is a nice shop. You can come here if you want to, and you can just check out this place if you like it, and if you think that this is a good shop, you can get it from here, because I have got it from here. I have also just got some lights from here before and they work perfectly fine, and I don't think there is any problem in that. So today I'm just testing new lights on this car. As you have seen, as I told you, I'm just gonna test some lights, and if I like it, I'm also gonna get it for my car. So today let's just see what's gonna happen, and I'm gonna show you some lights which we are looking at installing on. So these are the DRLs which we are looking at, and these looks nice. My friend have also got this, so I'm gonna show you after installation. They are gonna install it on the car, and I'm gonna show you how it is gonna look like after some time, after the installation. So other than this, these are the other lights which we are looking at for the rear window for our car. It is gonna be on the top, and these are door lights. These are good quality lights, and I have showed you the shop. You can come here and you can do whatever you want to. You can just check out the quality and you can talk to the owner of the shop, and they'll just ensure you everything. You won't have any problem with the security. You will have all of the security and you can just talk to them nicely. They'll provide you everything, but you have to look at them and you can check them by yourself, because this is this place, so you have to check everything. These are gonna be good. We are just gonna see how it's gonna look on the car, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks, and then let's see what we are gonna go for. So at the end, this is my friend's decision, so he'll do whatever he likes, and I'm gonna show you what he is doing. And after some time, I'm pretty sure I'm also gonna come here to get some lights on my car, but I'm gonna install them by myself, and I'm gonna show you that. So it's really easy to install this light. You just have to remove the 3M tape backside, and you just have to stick it here, and there's the wiring, and they're just gonna do the wiring here in the bulb thing, in the wiring, so there is not going to be a lot of problem. So as you have seen, he has already done that. I just started speaking and he have already installed it, so it's not difficult. You can also get it and you can also install it by yourself. It's not that difficult, but you just need to know how to do the wiring. You don't want to mess up with the wiring, because that would be the worst thing that could happen to your car, and then I don't think you will be able to recover from that. So it's on you what you want to do. So this Polo is the owner's car, and you can see this is Golf GTI. So he just has some lights. He was just showing that you can also get the lights installed. It is clean and you can just get them installed here, and it looks nice. At this time there is a lot of light. I am filming this in the broad daylight, so you are not able to see it properly because the light is not that much bright. In the night you will be able to see it properly, but it looks nice. And you can also get these type of lights wherever you want to. You just have to tell them what your vision is and they'll install the light for you. So these are the white bulbs I'm talking about. I want to get these white bulbs installed on my car, and these are nice bulbs and they just looks really bright. In the daylight too, you are able to see the grill properly. So I think I am gonna go for these type of bulbs, and I'm gonna show you how to do that, but I think it looks great. So this was the wiring of the light, and he just stuck it inside in here, so there is not going to be a lot of lighting at the starting of your car. Under your hood there is not going to be a lot of lighting, so it looks great, and I don't think there's going to be any problem with that. And it looks nice, and he'll just do the wiring, and I'm going to show you how to do the wiring. So at this point he is doing that side's wiring, and he's just looking where to plug it. He is just looking the plug, so he'll find it and he'll do the wiring, and I'm going to show you how to do that. What he did is this on Tiago, there is a plug here. You can just remove it, and there is gonna be, you'll be able to access the front bulb, like this bulb, which is right here. so you will be able to access that bulb and you can just do the wiring. He has just removed that and he is gonna do the wiring. So as you can see, there's the bulb. He just got out the bulb and he's gonna just plug that DRL in there. So when he have the hazard light, you can see the DRLs are also going with it, and I think it looks nice. We are going to close the hood and we are going to see how it's going to look like after just checking up everything. At this point of time I am looking and it looks great. He was just trying to plug in the wire here, but it wasn't working because it's not the main power, so he have plugged it in the fuse box, and I think it is going to work because it have the main power, so it won't be a really big deal. So right now the key is inside the ignition, and as you can see the DRLs are running. both of the DRLs are running, and when he's gonna turn on the indicator, these lights are also gonna blink in yellow, like orange or yellow, whatever you want to say. Like it is gonna blink. I'm gonna show you that too. So both of the connections are done, and he have tucked up the wire. Like this is the only wire which is visible, and the other wire is just inside everything, and he has zip tied everything to make it look pleasant. And it looks great at this point because there are not a lot of wires here. So I think it looks nice. So my friend is gonna turn on the hazard lights, and I'm gonna show you how DRLs are called. So as I'm gonna show you how DRLs look. So you were able to see that the DRL is blinking, and you can see the DRLs are working properly, and the light looks great at this point because it's nice. It doesn't look shabby. So I think we are gonna close the hood, and we are gonna see how it's gonna look after closed hood. So this is just the drawback, that in Tiago you are able to see this, but in other cars you won't be able to see it. So I think it looks great. So this is the second light we were looking at, and we are thinking of getting it installed here on the top. So we are just gonna see how it's gonna look like from inside. We just have to see how it's gonna look like from outside, but we have to just put it properly. But we have to wait for that. So he is cleaning the surface because he is gonna stick the 3M tape over it, so we want the surface to be clean. So that's why he is cleaning the surface. क्या? So he's just installing the last light. Like this is the last light we are thinking of at this point to get installed, because if there are going to be a lot of lights, it's going to look shabby. So we don't want that. We just want it to look nice and simple. So it is going to look like this. This is staked up properly, and I think it looks nice at this point. So now you are not able to see the wire. He have tucked in behind this thing. Behind the trim, he removed the trim, and he have tucked the wire behind the trim, so it looks clean, and you won't be able to see the wire when you are going to open the boot. Only this wire will be visible. So from there you are able to see, we are able to get the wire inside, and here you can see, here are all the wiring in Tiago of the tail light. So you will just be able to plug in here, and it's not going to be that difficult to plug in the wire or to just do the connection here. You are not able to see. I'm going to show you at night when we are going to reach our home. It's going to be night inside. It's not going to be that much light, so I'm going to show you then how the lights look. But it is installed. He have done almost all of the wiring. He is just tucking up everything, and then we are going to go home, and then I'm going to show you properly how the lighting looks. This is after the installation of the light, and as you can see, it looks nice and it is just blending in. So we just came to the house and we parked his car, so you can see it looks nice, and when we use the indicator, it is gonna go through it. I'm gonna show you how the indicator works. When you have the indicator on, it works like this, and it looks nice. That does look nice, and I am also digging it. So normally you can see the DRLs. The DRLs also look nice, and then I'm gonna turn on the indicator. It also blinks the indicator, so that looks nice, and I do like it. So if you want this, so you can get that, and it does look nice. So this is the normal DRL, and it is gonna look like this all the time when you have your car on. You don't have to turn on any of your lights to turn on the DRLs. So finally, I think it looks nice. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Just smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, because you know that helps me a lot. Thank you guys. Peace out. heat